oxygen. It may be aldehyde, it may be ketone, it may be alcohol, it may be ether. It may not be carboxylic, it may not be ester. Forms 2,4-DNP derivative. It is going to form 2,4-DNP derivative. Forms 2,4-DNP derivative. It gives a 2,4-DNP test. Sometimes it is written like that also. Reduces tolerance reagent. It reduces tolerance reagent. Reduces tolerance reagent. It is necessary to see that how the question should be answered. What is the way of answering the question? That is important. On vigorous oxidation and undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. It also so and Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. This is the another one. On vigorous oxidation, it gives 1,2-benzene dicarboxylic acid. On vigorous oxidation, vigorous oxidation gives it gives 1,2-benzene dicarboxylic acid. 1,2-benzene dicarboxylic acid. Okay, identify the compound. This is the question. So what is the way? One oxygen, it may be aldehyde, it may be ketone, it may be alcohol, it may be ether. It gives 2,4-DNP test. See that, how to answer. Its answer. Since the compound forms 2,4-DNP derivative, this is the wording we have to write. Point number one, the first point. If you try to write, you can write also. Since the compound forms 2,4-DNP derivative, hence it is a keto. It is a carbonyl compound. It is carbonyl compound. I am not writing all. Carbonyl compound means it may be aldehyde, it may be ketone, because 2,4-DNP test given by both aldehyde and ketones. This is the first point. In this way, we have to go through these points. Whatever information available in a particular sentence, that we have to carry out here. Since the compound forms 2,4-DNP derivative, therefore it is an aldehyde or ketone, or it is a carbonyl compound. This is the first point. Second point, in different lines we have to write, not in continuation manner. Use another line. Give the second point. These hints will be given in the question. It may be at the end also. It may be anywhere. From where we are getting the hint, that we have to highlight, and not straightforward the reaction. Another, proceeds tolerance reagent. It gives tolerance test. Tolerance test means compound is aldehyde. It is an aldehyde. Means one carbon is aldehydic carbon. It is there certainly. And Cannizzaro reaction means it is not having alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen is not available. Aldehyde is there, which is not having any alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogen. That is the another point. On vigorous oxidation gives benzene dicarboxylic acid. What is the formula of that compound? Here it is given, its name is given, benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. This is the compound. Since the compound on vigorous oxidation gives 1,2-benzene dicarboxylic acid, it means it contains compound C4H9O, contains a benzene ring. It has a benzene ring, and in this benzene ring, one carbon which is outside in the form of CHO, which gives a tolerance test and a Cannizzaro reaction. And to the another carbon, there is at least one carbon, alkyl group. It may be alkyl group because here is oxygen, CHO, then here is only alkyl group. In this way, we can decide the formula of the compound. Okay, beta? So this is the points which we have to mention. Therefore, finally, therefore, formula, here also we can conclude that, therefore, here, for in the same sentence, therefore, compound, is it given A? Is the name is given compound A? No, it is not given. It is the compound. Therefore, compound has benzene ring with, along with CHO group at one carbon, at first carbon, and an alkyl group, at second carbon, carbonated. This much we have to write in the form of statement. It is not always required, but as per the demand of the question, we have to manage these things. Okay, better? Finally, therefore, formula of the compound. What is the formula of the compound? Here, equation is not needed. Therefore, formula of compound is, it has benzene ring. It is clarified with this sentence, last sentence. It is going to form this compound, dicarboxylic acid, and previously we have decided that it has one CHO directly attached to the ring because it is giving Cannizzaro reaction. Benzaldehyde gives Cannizzaro reaction, and count the carbon hydrogen. It should be according to the given formula. Given formula is, what is the formula? Formula is C9H10O. C9H10O. Here is a carbon. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbon. It means 2 more carbon atoms here. Then it is 9. And hydrogen. Hydrogen is 10. Hydrogen 10 means here is no doubt CH3 and CH2. This is the compound. Therefore, formula of the compound is like this. This is the answer of the question. After these sentences, we have to decide the formula. If we want to write chemical equation, then what should be the way to write the equation? How to write the equation? After deciding formula, we have to write this compound at the center of the notebook. Here is CHO, here is CH2, CH3. This is the compound. The first point is forms 2,4-DNP derivative. It is going to combine with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. This is the formula of the compound. Here is a NH2, and here is 2,4. Here is NO2. Here is NO2. This is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, and the product will be oxygen from here and hydrogen from here comes out in the form of H2O. Then product will be like this. Here is CH double bond N bond NH, and here is the benzene ring contains NO2. Here is one NO2, here is another NO2. This is the one statement. The another statement is reduces tolerance reagent. Tolerance reagent. If it is allowed to combine with tolerance reagent, we can write the formula also, tolerance reagent. Then what should be the product? we are going to get a carboxylic acid, carboxylate ion. This carboxylate ion will be COO minus, and here is CH2, CH3. This is the carboxylate ion, and we are going to get silver metal, and another compound is ammonia, NH3, like that. This is the verification of second statement. Undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction means there is self-oxidation reduction in Cannizzaro reaction. Here is Cannizzaro. Cannizzaro reaction. And this Cannizzaro reaction is like this. The one product will be alcohol. Alcohol is CH2OH and CH2H5 is as such. And another one is carboxylic acid salt. Here is CO minus and here is CH2CH3. Here is, we can write CONA, we can write COK also, or we can leave in this way. This is another reaction. On vigorous oxidation, it gives benzene dicarboxylic acid. On vigorous oxidation, here we can mention, which is going to oxidize. Vigorous oxidation, what are the oxidizing agents here in this case? For vigorous oxidation, can you name please which oxidizing agent is used? Yes, beta Divyanshi, can you name? Vigorous condition, which oxidizing agent is used? Two oxidizing agents. The one is, yes, beta Ekans, Hardik, anyone please tell, Ketan, Aman. It is concentrate nitric acid or chromic acid, H2CrO4. Chromic acid or concentrate nitric acid. These are the two oxidizing agents under vigorous condition. Okay, beta? So under vigorous condition, it is going to oxidize to give this compound. This CHO going to change into COH, and whatever carbon present, that doesn't matter. Only one carbon left, that is in the form of COH. 1,2 benzene, 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Because COH is not in the chain, that's why it is dicarboxylic acid. Do you know it's a common name? I have taken IUPAC name of such compound where COH was here. And it was terphthalic acid. What is the name of this compound? If COH opposite direction, then it is called terphthalic acid, T is silent, and here it is called only phthalic acid. Phthalic acid is the name of this compound. So this question, it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks question. Okay, beta? So this type of practice we have to do, and this will make us more confident, because the various steps, various reactions involved in such a reaction. One more question, question number 11. An organic compound A, molecular formula C8H16O2. This is not in your syllabus. How we can decide that this is not in the syllabus? Here two oxygen compounds we have not studied, we have not discussed it. It is carboxylic acid, but okay, beta, it may be carboxylic acid, was hydrolyzed with dilute sulfuric acid. It is not a carboxylic acid, because carboxylic acid is not going to hydrolyze by dilute sulfuric acid. It is a derivative of carboxylic acid. You can think about which derivative is possible. Having two oxygen without nitrogen, it is an ester. This compound is an ester. So this ester is not in your syllabus, and you have not studied any properties of ester. That's why this question is not concerned with your syllabus. Okay, I'm not going to take this. Question number 19 here. One more question. An organic compound contains 69.77% carbon and hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. Question number 19. Please see it. Page number 379. The molecular formula, molecular mass of the compound is 86. Okay, we have to go for calculation of empirical formula. It does not reduce tolerance reagent but it forms an addition compound with sodium hydrogen sulfide and gives positive iodoform test. Without going for the empirical formula, molecular formula calculation, we can directly start because some hints are given here. It does not reduce tolerance reagent, means it is a carbonyl compound, but it is not aldehyde. This is the one thing. Okay. But forms addition compound with sodium bisulfite. All carbonyl compounds, they form sodium bisulfite adduct and give positive iodoform test. Positive iodoform test means the carbonyl compound carbon has one methyl group. It is a ketone and it is a methyl ketone, one side of carbonyl carbon occupied by CH3. Okay, beta? On vigorous oxidation, it gives ethanoic acid and propanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, 2 carbon atoms, and propanoic acid, 3 carbon atoms. It means this compound is of 5 carbon compounds. So without going through this calculation of empirical formula, we can answer directly. But here, if it is given such question in the exams, we have to calculate first empirical formula, as you have done in the 11th class. The same table you have to draw: element, percentage, atomic mass, then molar ratio, simple whole number ratio, and empirical formula. I'm not going to take here that part. I'm taking straightforward from the given ideas, given informations. On vigorous oxidation gives ethanoic acid and propionic acid. Okay, let's start from the beginning. It does not reduce tolerance reagent. It is okay. Better let me rub this part. So this is right time to attempt such questions. So you can check your preparation. The particular equation is are you able to apply that in this example or not? This type of check is also possible. What is the part here? It does not reduce tolerance reagent. This is the question number 19. It does not reduce tolerance reagent means compound is carbonyl compound and it is a ketone. It is a ketone because it is not going to combine with tolerance reagent, and it forms addition compound with sodium bisulfite. It gives positive iodoform test. Since it gives iodoform test, hence it has क्या कहेंगे इसे methyl, it is methyl ketone, hence it is a methyl ketone. कहीं अगर मिसिंग है तो प्लीज मैनेज द सेंटेंस, और अगर कुछ जरूरत हो तो it is a methyl ketone. On vigorous oxidation, it gives ethanoic acid and propionic acid, propanoic acid. On vigorous oxidation, it gives 2 carbon carboxylic acid, 2 carbon carboxylic acid and 3 carbon carboxylic acid. Hence compound has 5 carbon atoms. 5 carbon atoms. Okay, this is the way to answer. After that, we have to write the reaction. So, what is the reaction? Okay, compound is 5 carbon carbonyl compound and 1 carbon present as CH3. This is the compound A. A is given. It is the compound. Here it is CH2, CH2, CH3. This is the basic compound. On these basis of these informations, we can decide the formula of the compound is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C5, H3, 3, 6, and 4, 10, H10, O. This is the empirical form. This is the molecular formula of the compound. This we can also take from the given data: 69.7% carbon, 11.63% hydrogen, and remaining is the oxygen. तो वहां से भी आप सॉल्व करेंगे ना, तो यू विल गेट द फाइनल मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इन दिस वे. नाउ verification. It does not reduces tolerance reagent. If it is allowed to combine with tolerance reagent, no reaction is there, no reaction, because ketone does not give any test with tolerance reagent. It is not going to combine with tolerance reagent. Another, it forms an addition compound with sodium bisulfite. When it is combined with sodium bisulfite, Na2SO3, NaHSO3, sodium bisulfite, the addition product is like this. आपको ध्यान होगा, CH3C, here is CH2, CH2, CH3, here is OH, and here is SO3Na. This is the sodium bisulfite adduct. And the next is gives a positive iodoform test. It gives positive iodoform test. It combines with I2 and NaOH to form CHI3, and this carbon is involved in that CHI3. Then we get sodium salt of this compound, CH3, CH2, CH2, COO plus CH3, CH2, CH2, 1, 2, 3, CH2, COO minus. We can write Na also, CONA. Na का लिख दीजिए, Na. This is the another one. And finally, on vigorous oxidation, if you're going to oxidize this oxidation, it forms a 2 carboxylic acid. Which bond is broken? Here we have to apply Popov's rule. ध्यान है बेटा बच्चों, Popov's rule. When carbonyl carbon ketone, carbonyl group ketone going to oxidize under vigorous condition, the carbonyl after breaking, carbonyl carbon is along with that alkyl group which has less number of carbon. Therefore, this bond will be broken. Okay, beta, is it clear? This bond will break and it gives 2 carbon carboxylic acid and 3 carbon carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid and propanoic acid. That is the final answer. इस तरह से सॉल्व करने हैं, और ऐसे क्वेश्चंस साइड बुक्स में बहुत सारे दिए हैं. प्लीज अटेम्प्ट, एंड इन द एग्जाम्स आल्सो सी द वेरियस क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द different years exam, board exam, you'll find such questions, and this question may be 3 to 5 marks. Okay, so this is the idea. With the help of the given data, try to collect the information and apply them here in the form of words, and after that proceed as per the need of the question. Whether equation is needed or not, by seeing the wording we can decide whether we have to write the equation or not. Sometimes it may not be necessary, and it is not that if any part is not correct, some parts are correct, you will get the marks. जितने part आप correct करेंगे ना, उतने 1 mark होते हैं. You will get marks for that part. Complete question If it is not correct, the partial valuation is also there. You will get the marks for the part which you have attended correctly. So that is the thing in this organic portion. Okay, better. So let us come to the our main topic, carboxylic acid, and we have to go for preparation of carboxylic acid. Preparation. If you are unable to attempt such questions, you are feeling difficulty to attempting such questions A, B, C, D like that, you can ask it. You can post me the question, and I will try to reply that. I will try to give the solution of the question. Okay, beta? You are free. You are free to ask any such queries. Preparation of carboxylic acid. The one preparation from well known from alcohol. From alcohols. Alcohols can be oxidized into carboxylic acid by normal oxidizing agent. Normal oxidizing agents. One is a. Do you tell me what are the normal oxidizing agents for oxidation of alcohol? The one is anyone better? One oxidizing agent. Please tell me. Hesitate नहीं करना है. It is KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 in presence of acid, chromic oxide, like that. So alcohols like RCH2OH, alcohol going to oxidize simply by writing that it is clear, or we can mention, yes beta, we can mention the compound KMnO4 oblique H positive. This is the oxidizing agent. Simply by adding this O, it is understood we are going to oxidize. We are adding KMnO4H positive or K2SCr2O7 or any oxidizing agent. But it is better to mention the oxidizing agent. We are going to get aldehyde. First step is aldehyde. Aldehyde having R and along with the carbon, it is RCHO is the aldehyde. And then aldehyde easily oxidized. Here again, we need not to mention the oxidizing agent. It is clarified here. It is going to oxidize into finally carboxylic acid RCOH. We cannot stop reaction at this stage. It is going to be continued. Otherwise, we have to go for PCC here, oxidizing agent, or PDC, or controlled oxidation. Control means we are maintaining the temperature in such a way that as soon as aldehyde forms, it is vaporized out. It comes out from the contact of KMnO4 or oxidizing agent. That is the oxidation. If sometimes we say that we can convert aldehyde into carboxylic, that is also for the namesake. If we start from aldehyde, by simple oxidation, we can convert into carboxylic acid. This is one method. Second method, from nitriles. From nitriles. Nitriles are called cyanides. These are the nitriles, cyanides. Nitriles like RCN. Nitriles and isonitriles. Nitriles are CN and isonitriles NC. In organic chemistry, we call them like this. RCN is going to combine with water, H2O. It combines with water in presence of acid, H positive, and heat. It is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis by water. It is going to change into amide. ये part हमें याद करना पड़ेगा. When cyanide, nitriles hydrolyze by dilute acid in acidic medium, we are going to get amide. The product is amide. This part we have to remember. Cyanide into amide. And we can manage what is the formula of amide. Amide is the derivative of carboxylic acid, where OH is replaced by NH2. Four derivatives: acid chloride, acid amide, acid anhydride, and ester. These are the four derivatives. This is the one derivative where OH is replaced by NH2. This is the acid amide. In this situation, we are going to get acid amide from nitriles. This acid amide can be converted into carboxylic acid जितने डेरिवेटिव्स हैं, carboxylic acid can be converted into derivatives, all four derivatives, and all four derivatives can be converted into carboxylic acid. Here we are getting one derivative, and this can be converted into carboxylic acid on combining with dilute acid. See that? Dilute acid, it gives a carboxylic acid having the same number of carbon, RCOH plus NH3. Here we can manage any alkyl group, CH3CN, then we get CH3COH, C2H5CN. Accordingly, the product will be obtained. If it is aromatic, here it is, this compound CN, then it is going to combine with water, same reaction, same similar steps. H positive heat, and here we get amide. Amide here, it is C, here is O, here is NH2. This is the amide. Amide combines with dilute acid, H3O positive. It gives carboxylic acid. Here is COH. Okay. If the question is how to convert benzene into benzoic acid, then we have to go for this benzene into cyanide, cyanide into benzoic acid, benzene into chlorobenzene, chlorobenzene into cyanide, the cyanobenzene, and finally benzoic acid. Benzene into toluene, toluene into benzoic acid. These are the various methods to convert benzene into benzoic acid. Okay, beta? Conversion point of view, the reaction is important. This is the second method. So many methods are there. The third method is from Grignard reagent. This is important. From Grignard reagent. Take care about this. This is the important reaction. Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is the aqueous, the liquid in ethereal medium, alkyl magnesium halide in ethereal medium. Carbon dioxide is bubbled through this Grignard reagent. We take carbon dioxide, pass through the Grignard reagent, and the reaction is like this. Here it is. COO, it is written in this way, combines with Grignard reagent RMGX in presence of ether. Sometimes it is written dry ether. Okay. So this pi bond is broken, one pi bond breaks, this bond is broken, R has tendency to join with carbon, alkyl group joins with the carbon, and magnesium electropositive join with oxygen. And the compound is here R, C, O, and here is OMGX. This is the compound. Then it is going to hydrolyze H3O positive, dilute acid. Then this is going to change into carboxylic RCO, and here is OH plus MgOHX, manganese hydroxide halide is the byproduct. In this way, sometimes the question, how can you convert carbon dioxide into carboxylic acid? This is the way to convert carbon dioxide into carboxylic acid. Carbon dioxide into methanoic acid, that is not possible. Minimum 2 carbons should be there in the carboxylic acid. Carbon dioxide into ethanoic acid, acetic acid is possible. 2 or more carbon carboxylic acids can be prepared. One carbon like formic acid cannot be prepared because one carbon coming from here and one carbon from here. Minimum 2 carbon atoms should be in carboxylic acid. Then we can go for formic acid, methanoic acid cannot be prepared by this technique. Okay, beta? Another, if we take this compound, here is phenyl magnesium iodide, bromide, chloride, iodide, anyone we can take. Phenyl magnesium iodide is allowed to combine with CO2. Here is carbon dioxide, CO2, in presence of ether. What should be the product? This oxygen one bond is broken, and this carbon is joined with the benzene ring. Here, from here, this ring is broken. It is going to form benzene. Here is C, here is O, and here is OMGI. This is the product. Okay. So this technique, this bond broken, this pi bond broken, this we should remember. Then it helps us to decide the product. Then it is going to combine with H3O positive hydrolysis. Then this bond is broken, and here it forms benzene ring. Here is CO, and here is OH, benzoic acid plus MgOHI. Magnesium hydroxide iodide and benzoic acid. Okay. If the question is how to convert chlorobenzene into benzoic acid, convert this chlorobenzene into Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, it combines with magnesium in ether to form benzene magnesium chloride. Then in this way we can convert into benzoic acid, chlorobenzene into benzoic acid. Chlorobenzene into Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent combines with carbon dioxide to form this intermediate, and finally benzoic acid. This is useful in conversion questions, conversion point of view. It is important. Or sometimes they are asking how to convert carbon dioxide into this particular carboxylic acid. Carbon one coming from carbon dioxide, and remaining carbon will come from here. Then what is the Grignard reagent formula? We have to decide as per the need. Okay. Okay. So another method, from derivatives of carboxylic acid. Okay, let me take that also. That is not so useful. From derivative means it is amide, it is ester, it is chloride, it is anhydride. All derivatives I am going to take here. Here, from fourth method, from carboxylic acid derivatives. Carboxylic acid derivatives. See that how to write. RCOCl. This is acid chloride. Here is RCO, O, RCO, acid anhydride. This is RCO. Here is O, NH2, acid amide, and here is RCO, O, R dash, ester. These are the four derivatives of carboxylic acid. Then these two derivatives, simply by hydrolysis, on combining with water, when they hydrolyze by water, we are going to get corresponding carboxylic acid. Here it is, the product is RCOOH, carboxylic acid. Here is Cl replaced by OH of water. Here this bond is broken, and here OH join, and here it forms another one acid. Two molecules of acid is formed. Here OH join, here H join, RCOH is obtained. And in these two cases, again we can go for hydrolysis only in presence of acid or base. Here it is H2O. Either acid is required or base is required. OH minus or base. Here it is R. Acid or base, both are going to hydrolyze these two, and we are getting carboxylic acid, RCOOH, like this. So in this way, we can convert all derivatives of carboxylic acid into carboxylic acid simply by hydrolysis. Okay. So this is the one method how to prepare that. Okay, beta. So two more methods are there. From alkyl benzene, this is the one method. From alkenes, another method. Alkenes we have studied in 11th class by combining oxidation with the alkaline KMnO4. Alkenes can be converted into carboxylic acid. Okay, I will take this part in a next class because it is too much time. And if any doubt regarding any, you have to ask. You can ask your doubt. You can clarify your doubt. You can discuss your doubts with your friends. That is also which is uh, your friends. You can discuss among any questions, any topics. Discussion makes the student or person perfect in case of especially organic. It needs discussion. It needs writing again and again, attempting questions again and again. Okay, beta. So all the best. Thank you all. Thank you very much, and take care. Okay, beta. Chidesh, Mallika, yes, beta. All the best to all of
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, beta. Thank you very much, and take care. Keep using.
Thank you, sir.
हाँ, और ये आवाज मैं बीच में भी सुनना चाहता था। ये जो आवाज अभी आ रही है ना, लक्षिता, प्रतिभा, ये आवाज मैं बीच में भी सुनना चाहता था। प्रज्ञा, बेटा आपको बोलना है कुछ। You all are aware about these things. These are the things which is repeatedly come in front of you. So thank you all.